Don't wanna talk about it, don't wanna hear about it, don't wanna think about it, I wanna shrug it off. I wanna make light of it, let it fall between the cracks. I wanna laugh about it when years have passed. Saw a black dog panting by the house tonight, red tongue lolling, eyes all wide. Can't turn a corner, just can't let my guard down. Can't even close my eyes without it being there. Don't wanna talk about it, don't wanna hear about it, don't wanna think about it, I wanna shrug it off. And I know deep down that I haven't changed at all, but I'm slowly getting better at covering up. Underneath the flimsy pavement, we buried smiling, raging bar. We were cocky, young and callous. I guess we had nothing else to do, and all the while laying waiting and took on the form of a charcoal